Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get started now. So now we are going to see how to block all the sites which are private and which are 18 plus upon more. So first you need to move on to the google.com, then move on to google.com, and here in the bottom you can see settings. Just tap on settings and tap on search. So before that, let me show you. Now we can search all the sites. Now when we go to settings and move on to search settings, now we need to tap on filter explicit results, do not autoplay, and private results, do not use private results, and that's it. Now click on save, and that's it. Now let's go to the Google. It will be automatically redirected to google.com. And now when you type something like porn, you won't see any of the websites in your. So even if you try any other words like 18 plus, you will be able to see normal one. And like this you can save your stress life, and also you can stop watching these kind of things in order to divert your mind from the concentration which you want to do any activity. That's it guys, hope for the best, and make sure to hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell icon.